the second part of our series here, we're talking about spring cleaning and going through your closet and what needs to be donated or what can be altered, okay? So we're gonna look at 3 pair of pants today, okay? Which they have really 3 distinct things you gotta look for in these pants to let you know what you should do with them, okay? The first one we're gonna look at is a flat front pant, has no pleats, which is still stylish nowadays. The difference on this pair of pants is that the bottom width is very wide still. It's kind of wide for today's. This is a 19-inch bottom. The way you measure it is straight across like this. This should be a minimum, I would say, for this particular size, depending on the size person. It's probably got to be about a 16.5 to 17. So you can bring these in and get them altered. We can narrow the pants here. We would also narrow the knee. So we don't just narrow here, we also narrow the knee. This one you measure about 12 inches down, measure across, and this measures 22, which is pretty wide, okay? The real trim pants are gone. That's not around anymore. Things that are a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more tailored, but they're not that real tight fitting. So we can definitely alter these pants to get them to fit you, okay? The second pant we're gonna look at is a single pleated pant, okay? Single pleat right now, you're starting to see some single pleated pants coming through, okay? It's a little bit more comfortable than the regular flat front pants if you like a little bit more room, okay? Same issue with this. The bottom is too wide, okay? This is a 19-inch bottom, so we'd make this a little bit narrower. Now, because of the pleat, we wouldn't go as narrow as we do with a plain front pant, okay? Because with the fullness here, you want to make sure, with the pleat, you want to make sure there's a little fullness so it drapes nicely. So these pants can be altered. We would narrow the bottom. We would also narrow the knee. You see, it's a very wide knee, okay? Now, there's a certain point where we say, you know, it's not worth doing. Just depends on how much you want to put into the clothing. This is a fairly simple alteration. We do this every week. We probably do 10 or 12 different pants people bring in to have this done. So that's a single pleated pant. Now we look at this dinosaur here, okay? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4 pleats on the front, okay? This is a very full cut pant and totally out of style nowadays. I wouldn't put any money into this to be altered. I would definitely just get rid of it. It's a very high rise from here to the crotch. It's very high, okay? And the width, look at the width. I mean, this is enormous. You're gonna fly away in the wind on this one. So this would definitely, I wouldn't put the money into this, get rid of it. It's not in style, it won't be in style again. It's an MC Hammer pant, basically. And so those days are over. So this is donation pile. These other ones we can alter. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them. Or you can check us out at davidecoutinho.com. And remember, you always got to dress well.